Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do the paraphrasing and the stanza question answers of the poem The Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson. And in today's lecture, we will do the paraphrasing and the stanza question answers of the second stanza. There are only 6 lines, and we can say there are only 2 stanza and the 6 lines of this poem. This is really a very short and symbolic poem. Lines 4 to 6. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt he falls. The wrinkled sea, झुर्रियों वाला समंदर, beneath नीचे है him उसके, crawls वो रेंगता है, यानी उसके नीचे झुर्रियों वाला समंदर रेंगता है. He watches वो देखता है from his mountain walls अपनी पहाड़ी दीवारों से. एंड लाइक अ थंडरबोल्ट और एक आसमानी बिजली की तरह ही फॉल्स वो गिरता है. पैराफ्रेजिंग. द सी बिलो लुक्स रिंकल्ड एंड मूव्स वेरी स्लोली. द ईगल ऑब्जर्व्स द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम इट्स हाई प्लेस ऑन द माउंटेन. इट फॉल्स डाउन क्विकली एंड स्ट्रांगली लाइक अ फ्लैश ऑफ लाइटनिंग. Stanza question answers. First of all, we will check the rhyming scheme. We will check the last words of each line. In the first line, the last word is cross. In the second, was, and in the third line, fall. So we can say that all 3 words are similar in rhymes. So the rhyming scheme is A. Now, figure of speech. First of all, there is a metaphor. Waves of the sea are compared to wrinkled sea. The wrinkled sea. So this is a metaphor. Personification. Wrinkled sea crawls. So there is a personification because crawling is a quality of human beings. So in this line, we are giving the attribute of human beings to the non-living things. Number 3 is simile, like a thunderbolt. So there is a word like, so it is simile. And number 4, auditory imagery, which is thunderbolt. Now come towards the stanza comprehension. What does the phrase wrinkled sea beneath him crawls describe? Answer. It describes the sea's surface as rough and uneven like wrinkles and moving slowly. From where is the eagle watching? The eagle is watching from his mountain walls. How does the eagle move at the end of the stanza? The eagle falls like a thunderbolt. What is the metaphorical meaning of wrinkled sea crawls in the poem? Answer. It means that the sea, which stands for the common people, is moving slowly and nervously as if scared of the powerful ruler watching from above. So as I have said earlier, that this is a really a classic masterpiece of the symbolism. So inshallah later we will see that how this poem is a symbolic poem and what are the symbols inside it. So the first symbol we can say is a wrinkled sea. So wrinkled sea stands for the common people, a mass, awam. In Urdu we can say this is awam, which is very nervous, जो कि ताकतवर लोगों से घबराए हुए हैं, डरे हुए हैं और वो ताकतवर लोगों के सामने एक तरह से रेंग रहे होते हैं, क्रॉल कर रहे होते हैं. Question 5. Explain the comparison of the eagle to a thunderbolt. The comparison of the eagle to a thunderbolt suggests that the eagle's fall is sudden, fast, and powerful. The eagle is like a thunderbolt heading for its target in a powerful way. What does the line "he watches from his mountain walls" mean? It means that the eagle is watching over his territory from a high place. This also symbolizes a powerful man keeping an eye on his area, showing control and vigilance from a strong position. Vigilance means nigrani. What is the meaning of "and like a thunderbolt he falls"? It has 2 meanings. Number 1, a powerful person exploits means istehsal karna. A powerful person exploits someone who is less powerful in a way that is unfair or dishonest. And number 2, it can also mean the sudden fall of someone who was once powerful. It's a very important question. क्या मतलब है कि "and like a thunderbolt" का क्या मतलब है? या there can be a question, describe the metaphorical meaning of "and like a thunderbolt he falls." तो उसके 2 मतलब है. नंबर 1, कि जो ताकत में बंदा होता है ना, वो जिस तरह ईगल एक आसमानी बिजली की तरह झपट रहा है, उसी तरह जो बंदा ताकत में होता है वो अपने से नीचे वालों को टारगेट करता है और नीचे वालों को एक्सप्लॉइट करता है, यानी उनका इस्तेहसाल करता है गलत तरीके से. एंड सेकेंड, इसका मतलब होता है सडन फॉल, यानी जवाल, कि एक बंदा जो ताकत में था अब उसका जवाल आ गया, वो नीचे गिर रहा है. Question 8. Write down the phrases which suggest that the eagle is in a higher place. The wrinkled sea beneath him and he watches from his mountain walls. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.